everybody, it's Brooklyn Cardenas and welcome back to the Paul Mitchell Pros YouTube channel, where this is all pro information for pros like you. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. So today what we're gonna do is we are going to condition and correct compromised hair featuring Paul Mitchell's Crema XG. This is my model, Kiki.
Hi.
She's been a guest of mine for quite some time now. And Kiki, what can I do to make you happy today?
My hair is so dead and I just need it to be refreshed, and I miss the natural texture that it had. So I'm just ready to start my journey to healthy hair again.
Awesome. So what you don't know is that because I have been doing Kiki's hair, some of her hair history before this last time she got her hair done, she was platinum. That's right, Kiki was platinum blonde. And with the lifestyle, that just didn't really work out for her, so we colored it back to brown. And then it's been about 8 to 10 weeks. And so just with her lifestyle being outside and in the water and the sun, we faded. So really we're looking to kind of refresh those ends and to condition, hydrate. So Crema XG is going to be a perfect opportunity for this. You ready to get started?
Let's do it.
All right, for our base, we're gonna mix up our first formula of Paul Mitchell's Crema XG 4N, or our 4-stroke 0, and our 10 volume cream developer. This is gonna be mixed 1-to-1, and it's gonna create a really beautiful creamy consistency. This will be the application that we do right at the base that's gonna match her natural. Let's go. So a pro tip is to make sure if you're using darker than a level 6, then you'll always want to make sure you wipe out on the perimeter. So I like to just put a little bit of wipe out in the bowl and then dip just a nice feathered tip brush in and make sure I really get right into the hairline. So I split the hair into 2 sections, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to apply at the base area our Formula 1, which is going to be our 5N with 10 volume. And this is going to be, I lied, that's not the color formula. It is 4N. It's 4N is the base. So what I'll do is I'm going to go ahead and apply the base color all the way through. And what that's going to do is just going to match her natural. This is a cream done by permanent color. It's not going to shift at all. Her natural, it's more just to kind of keep things consistent. What I'm really trying to do is focus on the refreshing those mids to ends. So what I'll go through is just apply this one to her base, and then we'll alternate through the ends. Our next formulas that we're going to mix up are going to be the mids to ends, and we're going to alternate both 5BA, which is 5-stroke 7-1, and 4N, which is our 4-stroke 0. All right, so we're going to start this section and working these mids to the ends. As you can see, I'm going to take diagonal back sections, and I'm going to alternate these 2 formulas. So one with 4N, and then the next one with 5BA. And I'm gonna make sure that I work really thoroughly through these, making sure that these mids to ends that are compromised are able to receive this beautiful, creamy consistency of the Crema XG. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure I give it a nice comb through, and then I'm gonna use my hand to kind of like mend and melt all the color. As you can see, this Crema XG has a really beautiful cream consistency. Really, it does keep the hair to stay put and smooth the cuticle as it's coloring the hair. The reason why I've chose Crema XG for this specific refresh of application is really to take advantage of the Pure XG protective system, which really helps protect the hair's integrity by strengthening it with that cottonseed oil, which is very rich in protein, and it also has rice milk that really helps prevent the oxidative damage that's associated with that coloring process. Her hair has really been through a lot, and we're really looking for just a deposit only. Crema XG has a no ammonia formula, so no lifting power. just deposit only. It is 100% vegan, which is a great benefit, and it's perfectly shade matched with our Color XG. So where I used Color XG to tint her back to this natural dark color after being blonde, I know that it's gonna fade on tone, and I'm really gonna use the Crema XG to refresh and get all the benefits from the hair. It has the Dye Smart technology, which uses both a balance of both primary dyes and couplers that really just chooses to facilitate maximum penetration into the hair. So really the science behind this is absolutely the best in technology, and the results are beautiful, true to tone, vibrant hair color that's multi-dimensional and also very resistant to fading. So we're gonna allow this to be a quick service. It's gonna process in 20 minutes, and then we're gonna have absolutely beautiful, healthy, vibrant hair.
Okay, this is Kiki's final end result. Doesn't she look amazing? I'm trying to get tall like her. I love it. It feels so much better. It overall looks so much more healthier. It feels good.
Amazing.
Yeah, so
happy with it.
Thank you, Crema XG, and all your amazing benefits. Hope to see you guys again soon.